Do you want to easily repair your small devices with a complete and practical precision screwdriver kit? In this video, we present kits designed for working on smartphones, computers, or glasses with accuracy. All links are available in the description below. To choose the right one, it is important to check the variety of bits, durability, and storage convenience. A good kit should be easy to use and suitable for detailed work. We have selected the 3 best precision screwdriver kits on the market. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more DIY and tech comparisons. Here are the 3 best precision screwdriver kits, from the most affordable to the most complete. First of all, the Jorest 40-piece precision screwdriver set is a comprehensive solution for delicate work on electronic devices. Its compact and well-organized design keeps all essential tools within easy reach while making it convenient to carry. Thanks to the wide variety of bits included, it adapts to many types of screws found in modern devices, making it especially useful for users who want to handle their own repairs. The included accessories provide real ease of use by simplifying the opening and handling of internal components. The quality of the materials ensures good durability, even with regular use. It is an ideal kit for both hobbyists and more experienced users looking for a reliable and practical tool. Next, the Xool XL6208 precision screwdriver set stands out as a versatile tool designed for everyday electronic repairs. Its well-thought-out design allows for precise work, even in hard-to-reach areas, thanks to its practical extensions. The wide selection of bits covers a broad range of needs, whether for small devices or computer equipment. The ergonomic handle ensures comfortable use, even during extended sessions, which is a real advantage for frequent users. Its compact format makes storage and transport easy, allowing it to be taken anywhere without hassle. This kit is suitable for both beginners and experienced users looking for a reliable and complete set for their maintenance tasks. Finally, the Amazon Basics DS-AMZ035 precision screwdriver set is a complete solution for DIY and home repair tasks. Its versatile design makes it suitable for different types of work, whether on electronic devices or larger equipment. The ratcheting system improves efficiency by making repetitive movements easier, while the rotating base allows for constant pressure to achieve more precise results. The materials used ensure good durability and resistance to wear over time. The ergonomic handle provides noticeable comfort during use, helping to reduce fatigue. Lastly, the included case makes it easy to transport the entire set while keeping the tools well organized, making it a practical choice for regular use. You can find the links to the products in the description below. Don't hesitate to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you next time for another product comparison.